Understanding the phrase, a fix. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations. Ever heard someone mention they're in a fix, or need a fix of something? Let's decipher what they truly mean. We're going to explore the phrase, a fix, in different contexts. The word, fix, originally means to repair or set something in a particular place or position. However, when used as a noun, like in the phrase, a fix, it often has different connotations. For instance, 1. My bike is broken. Can you give it a fix? In this example, a fix literally means a repair. One of the most common uses of a fix is to indicate a challenging situation or a predicament. Example 1. I forgot my passport at home and now I'm in a fix. This means the person is in a difficult situation because they forgot their passport. In some contexts, a fix refers to a strong craving or a sudden need for something, often associated with addictive substances or habits. For instance, 1. I haven't had coffee today. I need a fix. Here, a fix means a dose or serving of coffee because the person feels a strong desire for it. At times, a fix can also signify a solution to a problem. Example 1. My computer is running slow. Do you have a fix for it? In this scenario, a fix refers to a solution or remedy for the slow-running computer. English is a fascinating language with words and phrases that often carry multiple meanings depending on the context. Understanding the phrase, a fix, in its various interpretations can greatly enhance your comprehension and fluency. We hope this video shed some light on this versatile phrase. Keep exploring, and we'll be back with more insights into the English language. Stay curious.